Hi, this is Dave for Expert Village, and today we're making Cajun Ratatouille. Okay, now next we're going to dice a tomato for ratatouille. Okay, so this is a Roma tomato. You can use any type that you like, just make sure it's nice and ripe, so it'll have a lot of flavor to it. So just to take off the end, just like that, slice off the end, and I like to do it lengthwise here. At this point now, there. Again, this isn't critical because this actually probably would add a little more flavor to it, but that's just how easy it is to take the seeds out. Same thing with the other half. And then I like to lay it down this way because it's easier to cut through the flesh. Some people like to do it here, but to me, even with a sharp knife, sometimes you can slide off. So I would go ahead and I'm going to do a dice about like this, about same size as the other ones, even though the tomato is pretty small. Just run your knife through and you've got some nice chunks right there.